JAMB approves 3 registration centers for 2025 UTME online capturing. Akahi Tutors offers intensive CBT tutorials. Welcome to Akahi Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board has officially announced 3 approved registration centers for the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination (UTME) online capturing. The designated centers located in Ile-Ife, Osun State are as follows. 1. ICT Center, Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU, Ile-Ife, Hall A. Center 2. FVL ICT Center, Ilesa Road, Abaya Gani area, Okpa, Ile-Ife. Center 3. ICT Center, Obafemi Awolowo University, OAU, Ile-Ife, Hall B. Prospective candidates are encouraged to visit any of the listed centers to complete their registration processes. JAMB has reiterated the importance of adhering to registration guidelines to ensure a seamless and efficient exercise. The board also reminded candidates to provide accurate information and avoid late registration to prevent disqualification. In preparation for the UTME, Akahi Tutors Ile-Ife has announced its intensive computer-based test CBT tutorials and regular mock testing sections. The tutorials are designed to equip candidates with the necessary skills and confidence to excel in the examination. Akahi Tutors, known for its track record of success in JAMB preparation, offers comprehensive training including practice tests, time management strategies, and detailed explanation of past questions. Interested candidates are advised to take advantage of this opportunity to enhance their preparation and improve their chances of securing high scores. For more information, candidates can contact Akahi Tutors Management directly or visit their center in Ile-Ife at number 67 Oduduwa College Road, off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Or you can contact the management of Akahi Tutors on 080-38-644-328. JAMB has also urged candidates to stay updated on official announcements via its website and social media platforms to avoid falling victim to fraudulent activities. The 2025 UTME is scheduled to hold in the coming months, and candidates are encouraged to begin their preparation early. Thank you for joining me in this segment. I am Joseph Iyaji. Please don't forget to call the management of Akahi Tutors should you are having any registration issue or you are interested in the tutorial or for accommodation reservation. Call 080-38-644-328. Thank you.